A Chinese-American accounting professor at Southern Methodist University is suing the school, alleging SMU discriminated against non-Indian faculty in tenure decisions. Wang is an assistant professor of accounting at SMU's Cox School of Business. In his complaint, he alleges SMU discriminated against him based on race, ethnicity, ancestry, and national origin, and then retaliated when he objected. Wang says Cox's tenure standard called for at least 4 top-tier publications. He says that since Hemang Desai became a full professor at SMU in 2006, the accounting department granted tenure to 100% of Indian origin candidates who met that standard and denied tenure to 100% of non-Indian candidates who met the same standard. Wang had 10 top-tier journal articles when he applied for tenure, more than double any other accounting faculty member in the department's history at the time of tenure application. But he says SMU kept moving the goalposts, telling him he needed more citations, more visibility, and eventually calling him a bad fit. The complaint says multiple professors supported Wang's case. One SMU professor wrote that Wang's case was not treated in an unbiased manner. Another said that Wang was, quote, very significantly more productive than one Indian origin professor who received tenure. A University of Texas professor described Wang as, quote, an outstanding researcher with few comparable peers. Wang also alleges SMU recorded him as white in HR and EEO records despite his self-identification as Chinese and East Asian. Wang says on November 19, 2024, Desai told him the department voted 3-1 against tenure, with all 3 Indian faculty voting no and the only non-Indian faculty member voting yes. SMU denies the allegations and denies that Wang is entitled to relief. Wang is asking the court for tenure, damages, back pay, front pay, and an order requiring SMU to stop discriminatory tenure practices. The case remains pending, with trial currently set for February of 2027.